Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. My name is Preeti and in this video I'm going to talk about is basic English is enough or not for any learner. Because guys, there are so many learner who know basic English but they want to be more fluent and they want to become very advanced speaker in this language. So that's why they never satisfy with their basic English. So guys, today I want to talk about this topic because guys, if I know basic English, so I compare myself with other who know better English than me and who are what can I say, who are very better than me in English. So that's why it's a human nature, we compare ourselves with other and we never feel satisfied with all things which we have and we want to more and more in our life. So that's why we never feel satisfied. So we can't deny this fact. English is a very vast subject and language, we can say, and we can't learn this language in once. So that's why we have to learn gradually, and we have to grab so many things gradually in our routine and in English. So that's why if we want to once learn this language and we want to be very fluent and what can I say, very fluent in this language, so we can't learn once because it's a gradually process. We can learn something new in a daily basis but we can't learn all things in once. So that's why guys, today I want to talk about this because there are so many people who know basic English but they never feel satisfied. They want to be very what can I say, professional in this language and they want to achieve so many things. So I'm not saying they don't have to achieve because this thing depend on their circumstances and what all things they want to achieve in their life. It's their life and their choice what all things they want to learn in their life. But guys, I want to say, uh, if we know basic English, so basic English is enough for us because we can survive in this world with basic English. Because have you ever noticed there are so many native learner and speakers who speak very basic English and they never feel shy in front of other and they never thought about we have to learn advanced vocabulary and advanced English and then we will try to speak because they are familiar with basic English. They don't want to very fluent, what can I say, professional in this language. So that's why if I talk about myself, I know basic English and I can convey my thought something like this. Though I make so many mistakes here and there, but I'm not thinking about this because guys, we learn so many things by mistake. So it's a part of journey and we should not feel demotivated because usually we compare ourselves with other because uh, if anyone front of you better than you and they speak very professional and fluent English, so you automatically feel like demotivate and you feel somewhere I think I'm lacking here and there and I don't learn something new in a daily basis and why I don't get this type of fluency. So guys, it's a human nature. I think we compare ourselves with other with anything. It could be any skills and it could be any work. So that's why I think we should not compare first with other because uh, there are so many people in this world who want to learn this language, so but they have their different journey and they have their different circumstances and all things because we all are comes from different background and we don't know about others life. So I think we should not compare with others and which all English we know, so that's enough for us and just try to learn something new and don't compare with others. And if you do your work consistently, so I think you definitely reach at your goal. And once you know basic English, so I think guys, it's enough for us because I'm not saying we should stop once we reach at intermediate level. We should learn more and more, but I'm what I want to say front of you. I want to say we should not compare with others who all are very advanced speaker, and we should learn gradually something new, but which all things is necessary for us. Because if you learn some basic advanced vocabulary and advanced thing in English, and that is not going to work in your life, and you do some other work, and this advanced vocabulary is not used in a daily basis, so I think that is not going to useful for you. What you have to learn, which all things is necessary for you, and which particular work you do in a daily basis, whether you want to crack any interview, and whether you want to achieve fluency in this language, and you want to become a teacher and anything. So what I wanted to say in this video, I want to say if you know basic English, so that is enough for us. Because once you reach at your intermediate level, so you automatically learn something new in a daily basis, and try to grab something new in English, and you definitely become a very advanced speaker one day. Because first goal is our learn basic English, because if we know basic English, so we automatically feel motivate, and uh, we get some interest in this language more and more. So that's why we should not compare our journey with other. Sometimes I see many people videos on YouTube, and that time I thought, why I'm not fluent like this? And we compare ourselves with other, because they comes from different background, and they have their different journey. So I think we should not compare, because it's this thing is affect our mind too. So if we just say always to our mind, I'm not doing this, and negative thoughts coming in our mind, so how can we reach at your goal, which work we want to achieve, and which work we want to do in a daily basis? So guys, last but not the least, I want to say this all things with you. If you are beginner and if you want to learn this language, so earlier I was not able convey my thought a little bit something like this, but now this thing is happened automatically. Like I do so many mistakes here and there, but you can see right now I'm convey my thought like this. So I think this is my journey, and I learned so many things from my mistake, and now I feel little bit confident. So guys, you can learn something like this, and you don't need to be panic, and try to make your journey easy, and that can help you to grow more in this language. So guys, these all things I want to share with you, and I'll definitely come with a new topic which things can help you to grow in this language. And if I have some topic and anything about this language, so I will definitely make video about this particular topic. So guys, that's it for today's video, and as I said many times, if I do any mistake here and there, so you can correct me, because there are so many people who are better than me in English, so I think they can guide me. And that's it for today's video. I'll come with a new topic and new video. Till then, bye. Do like, share, subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.